welcome back to my channel. My name is Maja. I'm a stationery lover from Switzerland. This is gonna be my last haul video from Japan, and this is gonna be mostly skincare and some other miscellaneous stuff. So let's get started. One of the first things that I actually got at Don Quijote were these nails. They're just fake nails. You can put them on with glue or those little sticky tabs, and I think they're really pretty. They're not very suitable for all day, at least for me. I don't like long nails, but I thought they were cute for the video. And I actually also got a second pair. These are like white with little crystals on it. I also got this very random spot cleaning tincture mixture you can put on your clothes if you get them stained. I was worried to get some soy sauce on me, but thankfully that didn't happen. So yes. From Laneige, I was like at a drugstore in Japan, and I got this little set that has some of their night masks. This is the water sleeping mask, and this is a full size actually, but it also comes with a tiny little bouncy and firm sleeping mask and the Sika sleeping mask, and it came in this little bag, which I thought was super cute. This is one of my favorite purchases. It's a little hand fan, and it's in this super nice iridescent color. I got it at Don Quijote. I knew it was going to be warm in Japan, so I planned on getting a fan. And when I found this, I was like, yes, I need to have this. And I used it because it was really hot. It was 30 degrees Celsius at some days. So yes, this was super useful, and it also has like a little stand, so you can put it on your desk or if you're working and you need some breeze. Also at the drugstore, I got this Laneige cushion foundation. I'm excited to open it. I still have another one I'm using up. I didn't get the viral tear, I don't know how to say it, cushion foundation, but I thought this one looked pretty neat. I got this Perfect Whip Beauty Foam. I think it's like a cleanser from Don Quijote. Obviously, I watched all the reels with the viral skincare. At the end, I didn't get that much just because I didn't need anything particularly, but I'm excited to try this. I think the mask from Fino is very popular. I just got the hair oil. I do have masks for my hair. I don't have a hair oil at the moment, so I'm excited to try this out. Then obviously I had to get some of these Kiana rice masks. They're supposed to make your skin feel very nice, so I'm gonna use this in the next couple of days for sure. Pimple patches. I got these two. Zero Spot patch and Sika Plus Zero Spot patch. I'm excited to try these. I don't get that many pimples, fortunately, but you can always use these if you need them. So, funny story, the only reason I went to that drugstore was because I got bitten by mosquitoes, and it was itching and it was nasty, and so I got some antipyretic and anti-inflammatory agent cream, which really helped. And this, it's like a thing for kids, but it was great. It's like these little patches with this character on it. I think it's from a children's book, and they have like, I think, menthol and other calming agents, and when you put them on your mosquito bites, it's actually cooling. So I love these. They were a lifesaver, and I don't know if I'm allergic to mosquitoes or what, but if I get one mosquito bite, it's gonna be that big the next day. So yes, this was a necessity. These are actually the last 3 things. I got this eyelash serum. I don't know if they work. I have used eyelash serum before, and I think it's just a nice little ritual to put this on in the morning and in the evening. Let's see if it works. It was pretty expensive, so maybe it works. We'll see. I got this silky liquid eyeliner. It's just a basic brown eyeliner. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. And Japan also, I think, like other Asian countries, is famous for sunscreen. I did get this stick. It's just a standard stick you can put on your skin if you need a touch up. And yeah, so you see it's very, very nice, very silky. It's gonna be winter here in Switzerland soon, so you can still use this if you go skiing or something like that. This is not really part of the haul, but I had all the stuff in here. I went to 36 Hublot in Kyoto. It's like a little stationery shop, and they just had the 3rd anniversary, and they gifted me this bag. If you spent like over something, they gave you this bag. So yeah, I wanted to show you this. This was the last part of my Japan haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.